Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sidney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, and we are the Trading Places. Kind of got a little jump on you guys this morning and got into a few trades, trading 3 accounts. So not only can I trade Forex, but I could also, if this goes bad, I can also join the circus and juggle. I'm doing 3 accounts today. Got this one here, this one here that I'm auditioning for. So we took, what did we take today? This one closed out already. I've had 2 that closed out. Pound dollar, euro yen, and this last one here, Aussie dollar USD. So we're there. Let me just hang around here. This one's getting close to closing out. Got a couple more pips on it, and we're let me see. Oh, that's right. It's got a little ways to move. Oh, we're at 23 pips on that one, so I want to take. Okay. I'll have to come back and look at those. Let's look at gold. Looks like gold is moving up today. It's kind of in a range. If you take a look at it here, let's erase some of this stuff. If you kind of take a look at it this way, I'm going to use the rectangle. It's kind of been ranging, I don't know, for the last day or so. We had some downtrend, some uptrend, but it's basically staying in this area. So let me put our where we're at tool. It's right here. And let's verify that with this. Just based on this, it may go down. I'm just going to say no agreement. I'm constantly trying to get better. If you guys see something, email me in. I'll definitely incorporate what you want. It's because all this is about you guys anyway. So if it makes it better for you, it probably makes it easier for me too. No agreement, but this thing shot up like a rocket ship and it came back down. So let's do the erase mode. This one also has no agreement. It's kind of weird because it shot up and then just stayed there. So we'll see what happens. But US 30, who knows with that booger. That's a crazy trade to pair, or pair to trade. Trade to pair. I don't know. I'm just going to put no agreement here, because it really doesn't know what it wants to do. All right, first Forex pair of the day is euro dollar. I think he's gonna go long. Check my trades. Oh. We're almost out of that one anyway. Yep, there you go. Okay. All right, let's get back to work here. I'm going to check that trade here in a little bit. So here we go. There's that one. Let's figure out what we're doing here. Where's the last? I need to start putting this vertical line first. It just... There you go, and then I kind of lost track where I was. So what we have here is failure to communicate. That's why we need to get our trend finder. Okay. Looks like it kind of bounced off of here, right? Now it's shooting back up, and we make our money between support and resistance. I think this is a good trade. Just take it long. Oops. If you're frustrated. Okay, so let's long if gotta spell first. Good. Kind of like that trade. Let me. This one's kind of doing the hokey pokey on us. I'm gonna take this one here. I'll let it run a little bit. What's over here? Whoa. Oh, look at this. It's retracing a little bit. Let me see here. I don't know if I'm, yeah. Long of indicator stay. That's a good call. Good call. Dollar yen. I'd be concerned about this trade. I'm just going to say indicate. Pardon me. Kind of shot up here. I don't know if that's news, but I'd be very careful with staying in this trade if you're going to take it. Let's look at the trend finder. It may hit this resistance line and bounce. It's very, very hard to tell. I mean, you're going to have to just say long if indicator stay, right? The reason I say if it stays is because it's not very... I don't think it's very stable. I'm going to let y'all study this next trade pair. Be right back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to take a little intermission. We take care of my little niece. She's a little over 2 years old, and she gets here and she stays up playing games with her dad. She comes in here and sleeps. So I had to go get her. But anyway, just a regular dude. All right, so let's figure this one out. You probably already did. Anyway, let's go here. All right. Let's timestamp this booger. Got to figure out where we are. Zero in on that son of a gun. And let's put our trend finder, which we know it's up. A little scared to take a trade right there. It could bounce, come back. Never know. Could go all the way through and keep going. Looks like there's a lot of pressure to keep it that way. So if it stays, stay in it. Okay. We now look at Aussie dollar USD. I'm in this trade. And we're losing money, but we're going to be fine. Let's go to this one here. And this one here. All of them are long. We're all good. It just retraced a little bit. It'll go back. There's a lot of pressure for it to move forward. Okay. So this puppy's long. It's gonna bounce here and come back up on the next candle, which is next 45 minutes. It'll come back up. We'll be doing good. So I'm gonna stay right here. You know, we didn't find very many trades yesterday morning or yesterday evening. They were all in consolidation, and I said we're going to have a good day in Forex tomorrow, and here we are. Pound dollar. I like this one too. So we're in pound dollar here. Pretty good day in Forex today. I'm glad you hopped on with us. So this one's long. Yesterday was stressful for me. Oh my God. I took I took US 30 and it dropped and then it stayed in consolidation. Oh my God. Went to the grocery store stressing out. I knew there was a lot of pressure to go short, and it did. I had it sell off at the very end and ended up having a very good day yesterday, but man, I was working for my money. Okay, here we go. It's kind of scary. So this one I'm expecting. This one's kind of scary here. I think this is going to be a good day right here. There's a lot of real estate. This one kind of hit the bottom. Looks like it's starting to turn. I'd wait for another couple candles. It's going to be a long, a lot of real estate. This little booger right here. It's going to go this way. So I'm going to take this look. I'm going to put this as a watch list, guys, okay? Let me update my students real quick. I'd look for this maybe after lunch. Well, that's a take. Who knows? Maybe next hour. Oh, who knows? When you get an email, take it to the limit. Okay, pound Swiss. Long, and that thing went good. Look at that. Bam. Good job, King Solomon. Nice work overnight. This guy works 24 hours a day. This guy's unbelievable. Richest man on the planet, still working harder than heck. I love that guy. I'm gonna give him a raise. All right, let's do this right there. Let's timestamp him. Looks like pound Swiss gonna go long too. Put our trend finder right here. Long of indicators stay. There's a lot of room here, but you can definitely get some pips. Just don't take it and walk away and take a trip or anything. Just keep an eye on it in your mobile phone. Looks like it's going to do just fine. Let's check on my trades. Fine here, pound dollar. Little retracement. What have we done today? What have you done for me lately? Done one trade here. All right. Saw that one. Put me a stop loss on here, right there, where it was before. We're doing just fine, kiddos. I gotta make $100 a day on this one, and we're past that, so I love it. It just keeps moving and moving. Look at that. I think I'm in Aussie dollar and pound dollar on the big account too. Yes, I am. I don't know what's harder, to manage a $5 million account or a little $1,000 account. Numbers look great when they move forward. I love this. Think about it, on a little account, you make $10 a day and you're 1% a day, but I've been doing, look at this. I'll show it to you later. It takes a little bit to fire up, but I have a couple of students that have really taken to this as far as the craft of Forex, and they want to trade some real money along with theirs. And the thing about it is, being a prop trader, you have to audition. And this guy's ready. He is ready. So I told him to put his stuff. He's about, I don't know, about 8 or 9 months. And he'd be ready to trade big accounts like this. But if you want to be part of the team, let me know. It's even though you work out of the house and work only, I don't know, a couple of hours a day, it's a lot of responsibility. You're constantly working, trying to raise money outside of Forex. So if you want to take on that role, and you can talk to people and learn the craft of Forex under my direction, you will be fantastic. Just reach out to me. Ask and you shall receive. So I think this is going to go Aussie dollar yen. Let's erase. I'd start looking for this one to go short. But let's see where we are. I would definitely start looking for this one to go short. I mean, it could go out. I mean, right now it's long for sure. You just take this one and do the hokey pokey, and you turn yourself around, and it could hit this line because that's what it's all about. So what's going to happen is, like the way it did, picture this reverse. It went here and it touched, it hovered and it came back up. This one could do the same thing but go back down. So just it is long, but proceed with caution. There you go. Let's look at CAD yen. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Long when indicators turn, and this thing just killed it last night, smashed it. So if you want to send a tip into Mr. King Solomon, let us know. Just kidding. King Solomon made some money last night. And look at this signal here. Can you imagine just staying in that sucker? Let's just take a look. If you would have taken my signal here, it closed here. So, and then you do it right here or about there. That's a lot of pips. Lots and lots. 100 pips, 110 pips. That will pay the bills, my friend. So I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Long, but proceed with caution. And you have to proceed with caution anyway, but the reason why, I should have said it before, we're at the top. If you noticed, it hasn't been at this level in a couple of weeks. So just ten cuidado. That means be very careful in Spanish. Swiss yen. I'd look for this one to start shooting down a little bit. I mean, came out of, hold on, it's already starting to hit the top here. Look at that. This is also proceed with caution. Just to let you guys know, look at this. Huge consolidation. I'm looking for this one to go short and short hard. So just wait for short signal on this one. The reason this one's different, guys, is because it's because it just took a hard upward trend that has me concerned. Not only that, it's at its all-time high. Well, the last 2 weeks, not all-time, but just careful on this one. This is our last one, guys. Euro, Aussie dollar. Boom. Look at that. Watch list to go long, and that thing just kept on going. We'll make more screen for you. So that one did not work out, but I didn't call it. I mean, Solomon didn't call it. I did. We will make mistakes. King Solomon doesn't. He won't put you in the trade anyway. I'm going to say on this one short, but proceed with caution. Same thing. And just in case you have problems with finding trend, we have our little friend here. Could bounce, come back up, could do a lot of things. Oh no, actually it bounced and it's going up. So just watch this. It's definitely on a short trend, but it could bounce. So, but anyway, there's a lot of trades we went over today, maybe 10 or 15. That'll give you something to work on. Right now, so far, we're batting 100. I've taken 10 trades this morning, and we're looking to grow some accounts. If you want to grow your account, reach out to us. We are the Trading Places, and please be careful out there, guys. The world is the world is kind of like US 30 and gold. It's a very slippery place, and then just add some soap to it. So go out and hug somebody. Don't loot or pollute. We're definitely put on this planet to help people that can't help themselves, so go out and do that today. If you want to be on our team, reach out to us at thetradingplaces.com. Press buy. It's $3.99 to start, $99 a month. You receive our world-class Forex charting system, our indicators, twice a day training, VIP class. I call out trades during the day. It's an unbelievable system. We also offer one-on-one training. Let me know if you want to join. Once again, we also have a YouTube channel, trading _ places _ Go to our channel and like it, because we like you a lot too. So from the Trading Places, San Antonio, Texas, and Sidney Guajardo, we bid you farewell. I hope we see you tonight. Thanks. Bye-bye.